In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email address to your contact list in Gmail. This guide will help you keep your contacts organized and ensure you never miss an important message. Whether it's for personal use, professional networking, or managing multiple email addresses, this is an essential skill to have. First, open your Gmail account on your preferred web browser by going to mail.google.com. Once you are in your inbox, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. Here, you'll find a series of icons. Look for the contacts icon and give it a click. This will open up your Google Contacts where you can see everyone you've previously saved and also make new additions or edits. With your contact list now open, find the option to add a new contact, or if you wish to update an existing one, locate the person on the list and select them. For the purposes of this step, let's assume you're updating an existing contact. By selecting the contact, you open a window that displays their current details along with options to modify them. Next, to edit the contact's information, look towards the top of the screen where you'll see a pencil icon. Clicking this icon will shift you into edit mode, allowing you to change any details related to the contact. This is especially handy when you need to update information quickly or add a new email address. Now that you're in the edit menu, pay special attention to the field labeled email address. Here, type in the email address of the person you want to make sure is added correctly to your contact list. Double check the email for accuracy before proceeding. Ensuring this accuracy is crucial, as even a small typo can lead to emails not being delivered or sent to the wrong recipient. If you're adding a new contact, you can also fill in additional information such as phone numbers, addresses, or notes. This makes your contact list more detailed and useful, especially if you need to reach someone quickly for work or personal matters. Once you've typed in the correct email address, the final step in this straightforward process is to save your changes. Look to the top right corner of the window and find the Save button. Click this to keep your updated contact information. Congratulations! You've just successfully added or updated an email address in your Gmail contact list. Keeping your address book current is an excellent habit. It ensures your communication via email is as smooth and efficient as possible. That's it for today's tutorial on adding an email address to your Gmail contact list. I hope this guide was easy to follow and helps streamline your email management. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials, and feel free to leave comments if you have any questions or need further clarification on anything discussed in this video. Thanks for watching.